this to do, my friend? He said, could I do it? I said I would run through it. Here's a few methods I recommend. Cause it's baboons and monkeys. I know how to catch these. Searching for new thrills. That's how I caught these skills. Baboons and monkeys. I know how to catch these. Searching for new thrills. That's how I caught these. The best method is designed to kill. All you need is a big anthill, a gated coastal waterhole. Wheel on a monkey, full bone. Feel the big small hole in the side. 4 inches deep, 2 meters wide, so the egg can barely fit his hand inside. Cause it's baboons and monkeys. I know how to catch these. Searching for new thrills. That's how I got these skills. Baboons and monkeys. I know how to catch these. Searching for new thrills. That's how I caught these. Baboons and monkeys. 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 They were really sweet. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Fuck. Alright. There was Black Label here, did it work? Give it up for Black Label. Oh wait, I want to hear the crowd. What do you think? What about the top artists? Alright, you fucking animals. You fucking animal. We love you. This is the kind of shit we promote here at the show.